on my brain, crypto, oh you're saying. Talk out with the cool, man, I swear to the lane. Ice on my neck, that shine like a chain. If you don't talk money, man, I know what you're saying. Bitcoin hot, just body stocks. Nas with the 100, but I never gas. I went out the hood.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. Malik here. And I actually posted on Twitter today where I said basically trading into J. Powell, which is Jerome Powell, 11 out of 10 would not recommend. And today you can see that some climate protesters actually came and disrupted the speech. So actually just take a look at this before we get into the video.
Really quick, I want to return to the New York Economic Club. We're taking a live look right now. So again, we want to tell everybody Jay Powell's speech has been delayed a bit. There were protesters in the room. We actually have a picture of the protesters that were in the room. It appears to be a climate protest. Those protesters have now been cleared, but a short time ago, they actually delayed Jay Powell's speech. He was there.
So Fed is burning money, futures, planet, climate defiancy. That's what they're saying.
On the stage, you can see him, I believe, there on the left-hand side. The picture's a bit small from here, but you can see right now their banner says the Fed is burning money, futures, planet. These are apparently climate protesters. These climate protesters were cleared from the room. Jay Powell left the stage. We're now waiting for this event to get back started once again. Jay Powell to re-enter the room.
So basically that happened today. Jay Powell basically told people again like he's gonna keep interest rates high for now until inflation comes down to that 2% target. So the market sold off from that. Today I had to be a little more flexible. I traded the same strategy, but I don't know, I just felt like the market was aiming for stops. They aim for the stops basically right above where everybody was entering. So let me actually show you where I had the trade. So it really came up and tried to get out a lot of people. So you see the market came up here. This was my target to see that if price actually started to break above here, I would just close the trade because it's showing me that it's going for a higher level, something that I couldn't manage. But I was bearish for most of the day, but then I was just monitoring the trade. I didn't have a stop loss open at all. And you can see at 12, it actually came up, rejected the second one. It rejected even harder. So this was Jerome Powell's meeting. So when he began to speak, the market reacted there, and then it just went bullish after that. So I was able to take 2 trades on the day. I had them riding for majority of the day and then closed them a few hours later. So this one was around 6 hours later and this one was around 8 hours later. So you can see these trades were held for about 8 hours. This one, let's go to the opening price. So if we put it on the daily, we can see it better. So don't mind this. We're looking at 14,946. So this is where I entered a sell side trade. 14,946, and you'll see the time I entered a little closer. So this is where I entered the sell side trade. You can see on the daily it looked kind of bearish, but you still had that wick up that could have destroyed you. And then I actually closed it out at 14,814. So that's closer to the bottom, but not the whole candle. And that's fine. You don't want to force it and be greedy. They're not even close to the bottom of the candle. It's more to the middle. But I was in and out, and this was a trade for $131. And you can see where I entered. Where I entered had to be pretty early, around 8 or 9. We had that wick up at 12 o'clock, but I still didn't see it going up higher. So that's why I didn't close the trade as yet. And then the market actually started to play down as expected. That was the bias. So the next one I opened at 14,932.8. 14932.8 and closed it the same time at 14814.48. So same stop loss really, because I just not stop loss, but the same place I just closed both trades of profit and left. Oh, I actually had a take profit set, so it actually moved down so violent that it just hit me out at a good price there. So this trade was a profit of 118.32, and those were the only trades I made today. After that happened, just didn't decide to trade anymore. We're actually coming into tomorrow's open right now, and we can actually look at, yeah, so basically it's looking bearish, and you have here as the zone for it to kind of reach for before pushing down for the best entry. And you'll see the market open in about 3 minutes. The 12 o'clock candle open in about 3 minutes. So we'll see like a close here. This is where I'm gonna literally target and then probably take it down some more. But if not, Fridays aren't usually good to trade, and Monday they're very indecisive. So I might not try to make a lot of trades tomorrow, but I'm in profits on this account, and I'll see you. You can see the curve of the account balance here, very zigzag here, back stable. Let's see how tomorrow trades. I'll see you in the next video. Better graphics. Bye bye.